I saw your question on the discussion board from Chapter 10, Section 3, number 4 here. You want to find the p-value and the test statistic. Okay, you could do this by hand. I'm choosing to do it by stat crunch. So, if you click on stat, it's going to be a t-test, one sample, t with summary. So go stat, t-stat, and choose one sample with summary. We don't have the data. So the sample mean was given as 20.4, that's right here. Sample standard deviation is given as 3.2, that's there. And sample size is 150 students. So you input those. It looks like you may be set up to null an alternative hypothesis. I can't quite see it, but they say they mentioned a 20 here, and what the scoring above, so it'd be greater than for the claim. So you put in that information there, click compute, and it'll give you the test statistic of 1.53, and it gives you the p-value 0.064. So the p-value is at less than alpha. I'd have to see. Let's see, alpha is given as 0.10, so the p-value is less than alpha. So yeah, you reject a null hypothesis, and then there is sufficient evidence to support the claim. Looks like you got that part right. So these two parts, I just pull off a stat crunch, let it do the calculations for me. Hope this helps.